Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring you the latest updates from the deal street, a bunch of curated stories from the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity, the fresh deals struck during this week. We have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the activities taking place in this space. But first, a quick look at the trend so far. In Q4 2023, venture funding for Web3 related companies reached $1.9 billion, a 2.5% increase from Q3 2022. This was the first time investments in Web3 firms increased since Q1 2022. Lightspeed Faction launched a $285 million fund for Web3 startups, while China's National Engineering Laboratory announced a $10 billion Web3 fund in December 2023, focusing on virtual reality, Metaverse, and non-fungible tokens. On that note, let's turn to the first deal on the show. Web3 ventures capital firm Hack VC has raised $150 million to invest in early-stage crypto and AI startups. Well, the firm aims to make crypto more user-friendly and capital-efficient and reduce smart contract and protocol hacks. Hack will also invest heavily in the Web3 and AI space, including projects like Jasper AI and Ritual. The firm previously raised a $200 million seed fund in Feb 2022 to support early-stage crypto startups. While the upcoming investments will range from hundreds of thousands of dollars for smaller projects with solo founders to several $1 million for larger projects with conviction. In the next deal, we do a quick check with healthcare sector. Bridge, a startup building artificial intelligence-powered clinical documentation tools, has raised $150 million in a Series C round, the company told Reuters, as more investors seek exposure to industry-specific generative AI applications. While the funding, led by Lightspeed Venture Partners and Redpoint Ventures, valued Bridge at about $850 million. The company last raised funds just 4 months ago and was then valued at over $200 million, according to PitchBook data. In the next deal, we are considering the venture capital's fundraising initiative. Canada-based venture capital firm Golden Ventures has raised over $100 million for its fifth fund, targeting high-potential seed-stage founders in technologies like AI, climate, blockchain, and quantum. The firm has backed over 100 companies at the seed stage over 13 years, investing in talent, mentorship, and building relationships with later stage funds. While Golden Ventures V is backed by a group of existing institutional limited partners, including BDC Capital, ECMC Group, Foundry, Harbour West Partners, Kensington Capital Partners, Northleaf Capital Partners, RBC Terralis Capital, University of Chicago, Vintage Investment Partners, and new institutional partner Deloitte Ventures. We are now moving to fundraising activity of Application Builder. Helios, a vertically integrated developer platform that helps high-performance crypto applications build better, cheaper, and faster on Solana, today announced the close of its $9.5 million Series A round. The round was led by Foundation Capital with participation from Reciprocal Ventures, Sixth Man Ventures, Chapter 1, Propel, Balaji Srinivasan, Anatoly Yakovenko, Raj Gokul, and Kyle Samani, among other Solana ecosystem founders. Helios will use its Series A funding to hire low-level systems and back-end engineers. It will also use the capital to enhance its deep technical stack to help further its mission of eliminating complexities and improving the entire Solana network from the bottom up. We have reached the fifth deal of the show. Enco, a modular blockchain developer focused on confidentiality, has raised $4.5 million in a seed funding round. Crypto-focused venture firm 1KX led the round, with Circle Ventures, GSR, Polygon Ventures, Robo Ventures, Alliance DAO, ZK Sync, Developer Matter Labs, and others participating. Enco said Wednesday. The firm began raising for the seed round in September and closed it around November, founder Remy Guy told The Block. The round was structured as a simple agreement for future equity plus token warrants, Guy said, declining to comment on the valuation. Final deal talks about Web3 adoption acceleration program. Samsung Next Ventures, the investment arm of Samsung Next and UOB Venture Management, a subsidiary of the Singapore-based United Overseas Bank, has collectively invested $3.5 million in Startale Labs, a co-development company on A-Star Network, to fuel the expansion of its Web3 product suite, as announced by Startale Labs on Wednesday. In a blog post published on Wednesday, Startale Labs said the new funding brings the company's total seed capital to $7 million, including an earlier contribution from Sony Network Communications in June last year. According to the firm, the fresh capital will be used to ramp up top talent hiring and product development in the Web3 space. While the funds raised in this round will be used for the development of Web3 products and the recruitment of top talent worldwide. Startale strategically raises funds from leading companies in Asia with the goal of becoming the leading Web3 company in Asia and continuing its business development efforts. Startale Labs outlined its plans. With that final deal, we have come to the end of this show. That's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.2TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.